Your watch says you're getting slower, but your heart says you're getting fitter. Here is why most runners read their data backwards. You finish a run, and your watch spits out 50 different numbers. Vertical oscillation, VO2 max, ground contact balance. It looks like a NASA flight check. Most runners obsess over one number, ignore the rest, or just get completely overwhelmed. To stop the confusion, we need to sort these metrics into 4 distinct buckets. You have external performance, what you did, internal physiology, how it felt, output, the work done, and context, the environment. The biggest mistake runners make is confusing the outcome with the cost. Pace is just the outcome. It's the result on paper. Heart rate is the cost. It represents the biological price your body paid to achieve that result. This is why chasing a specific pace can lead to burnout. On a hot day or a hilly route, the cost of that pace skyrockets. If you only look at speed, you think you're failing, but your body is actually working harder than ever. True progress isn't just running faster. It's running the same speed with a lower physiological cost. We call this efficiency. Throughout this series, we will stop looking at these numbers in isolation and start looking at the relationship between them. Good runners don't just collect data, they use it to make decisions. In this series, we're going to learn exactly when to listen to the numbers, and more importantly, when to ignore them completely and just run. Subscribe to master your metrics, not just track them.